News 5 at 6 starts now.
The woman fell off of the curb. We tried to warn the passing vehicle, and he ran over her.
It's been months since she was struck by a hit-and-run driver.
Still have pain in my lower back.
The physical pain, still a daily struggle, and the emotional pain may always linger.
I still have scars that aren't probably going to go away.
I'm truly sorry.
Today, the man who struck a Medina woman and took off offered an apology as he learned his punishment.
I mean, if you don't accept my apology, I totally understand.
I think he was sorry, but it was too late for sorry. I think he was really sorry he got caught.
News 5's Bob Jones first told us about this terrible accident earlier this year and the family's fear that justice would not be served. Today, he was in that emotionally charged courtroom as one side asked for the maximum prison sentence and the other, probation. We've shown you the pictures of the victim's injuries before. She wanted us to, but we must warn you yet again tonight, some of these images are tough to see.
Laura Schmid waited anxiously in a Medina County courtroom, her nerves rattled on Judgment Day for the driver who hit her more than 7 months ago and then took off.
Just seeing him today just brought everything back.
As these pictures show, Laura's injuries were horrific, suffering bruises and broken bones to her face, 9 broken ribs, 5 broken vertebrae, a torn liver, and a collapsed lung.
I still have pain. I'm afraid to walk down the sidewalk in my own neighborhood.
Laura was walking home after dinner at a restaurant, but she tripped in a pile of leaves and landed in Smith Road. As witnesses tried to help her to her feet, a blue Jeep Compass driven by Javante Thomas hit her. Thomas got out of the car, realized what happened, got back in the car, and sped off.
How could you do something to somebody like that?
Today, Laura's husband, Mark Schmuck, asked Thomas the questions he's been wondering for months.
Why did you leave her laying on the road to die? You can't answer that. Exactly what I thought.
Video from a Medina business and flock cameras helped identify the SUV, leading to Thomas's arrest about 3 weeks later. Police say after the hit skip, Thomas kept driving to the airport to drop off his girlfriend, who was going on a cruise.
Drops her off at the airport. She goes on a 9-day cruise. My wife's in the hospital for 8.
Thomas was found guilty of felony leaving the scene of an accident. The judge gave him 6 months in jail. The family had asked for the max, 3 years in prison.
So did we get shortchanged on this deal? Yes. Did he get penalized for what he did? Yes. Should it be more? Absolutely.
Thomas was emotional in court as he apologized to the victim.
I want to apologize for the pain and hurt I caused you guys. You're right, I was a coward. My cowardness of being just so scared, I just felt like I had to get away.
He said he was sorry. Did that mean anything to you?
Not really, no. If he was sorry, he would have called 911.
Thomas's attorney said Thomas has a baby, no prior record, and a goal of becoming a Medina police officer.
And he wants to be a Medina City police officer? And look what he did.
Mark, who says he nearly lost Laura, is inspired by her strength.
I think it's time that she gets to move forward with it, finally. It'll help us both, to go forward.
Laura is still recovering from her injuries and does exercises every day to help her heal physically. But she continues to struggle to sleep, and she says it's that emotional end that will last a long time. In Medina, Bob Jones, News 5.